I came to a point where I thought I have to give up and I cannot do this. This is literally not my cup of tea. But at the end of the year, holding a real gold medal in my hand, when I just went through a flashback, I was like, oh my god, I was so underestimating myself. आपको बताती हूँ, journey easy नहीं होगी. Journey किसी की भी easy नहीं होती है. It's your own improvement, it's your learning, and तुमको वो जर्नी में ही समझ में आएगा कि जब मैंने इस चीज़ के लिए स्टैंड ली, मैंने इसके लिए बोला, मैंने ये चेंज किया, मैंने ये चीज़ सीखी, और फिर जब तुम एंड में आओगे तो एवरीथिंग विल बी जस्ट वर्थ इट गाइस. So hello and welcome back to my channel Exploring Pharma. Today's video would be very quick but filled with lots of insight, as this will help you to ace your MBA once you get into the campus. So without any ado, let's begin. Okay. So just before this video, I dropped a video where I shared about what things, if you do, would really help you to make your MBA journey a smooth journey but also an impactful one. So just to quickly revise, I would say that once you step into the campus, do not forget to do certification courses. These certification courses add and holds a lot of value in your CV building. So you have to do a lot of certifications I did mention in the description, but I think most of you missed it, so I would say it verbally as well for you. Do digital marketing courses related to marketing, though you have subjects which would be covered in your syllabus by your professors in terms of marketing, branding, etc. But still, if you want to add on more, you can do subjects which are related to marketing. Okay, then Excel, in terms of advanced Excel, Power BI, Tableau, dashboard, you can go with this certificates, project management, and a lot of other certificates which you feel is not being covered under your syllabus to add into your CV. So I said one more thing, that you have to complete your CV building process. For that, the certification needs to be done at the very beginning, because the one who takes care of your CV building would be your placement committee, and they would not provide you with lots of time because they are also under pressure to complete all the CV process and to start with the summer internship placement process. So a very good reminder for you all to start certifications today. Now just complete watching this video, close YouTube, go to Udemy, Coursera. In Coursera, what you can apply is for financial aid, where you can mention a description why you want this certificate to be done at free. Just mention, I'm a student, I want to learn, and I would not be able to pay this much, so they would allow you to do certificates. Go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn also offers a lot of certificates which you can add into your CV. Second thing which I said is that how to score good in your academics. So MBA is all about not roting, it's about applying what you learned in your answer. So my tip would be, you can refer to previous year questions paper which are available at NMIMS portal. Once you get into the college, they will assign you portal ID password. So it has a lot of previous year question papers. So if you go through it, you will definitely be able to crack your exam without any hassle. Secondly, one thing which I mentioned is that while attending lectures, while your professors are explaining you any concept or anything, let it be anything from the beginning till the end, you have to make notes. So keep a book and a pen with you, a dedicated notebook for a dedicated subject. I had a different notebook for different subjects, and I used to make notes, which was very helpful for me during my exams. So this is a very good tip for you if you follow. Trust me guys, will come back and do tell me in the comment section if this helped you or not. Third thing, you guys would be recently joining NMIMS in June. So guys, it would be rainy season. Take care of yourself. Do carry a pair of shoes with you while traveling, as NMIMS don't allow you to wear casual dresses. For Pharma MBA students, the casual dresses are not allowed. For girls, it's kurtis or casual shirts or trousers. But jeans are not allowed, casual shoes are not allowed. You need to wear a formal shoes, a proper shoes for boys also. So do take care of that while traveling. You can wear shoes of your choice, let's say Crocs, but once you get into college, you can change it. So have a proper planning of that. So those who are relocating to Mumbai, make sure you have a better understanding of the M Indicator app, which is the app which will help you understand about the local trains if you are not residing nearby to Vilepalli or Andheri, or if you are staying somewhere around Jogeshwari, Bandra, Santa Cruz, or somewhere around Borivali. So M Indicator will definitely help you. Also, it will help you once you get into your listening to customer LTC subject, where you would be asked to go and meet doctors and conduct market research. So during that time also, M Indicators will really help you to understand places where you have to go, how to reach, and how to visit. So I talked about that. So next thing, your NMIMS journey would be really smooth. In the beginning you will feel that it is not my cup of tea. The same I felt it, and I've also posted a LinkedIn post in terms of how I was able to top my batch, how I was able to be the first ranker, and how in the beginning I really I came to a point where I thought I have to give up and I cannot do this. This is literally not my cup of tea. But at the end of the year, holding a real gold medal in my hand, when I just went through a flashback, I was like, oh my god, I was so underestimating myself. I had a self-doubt. I came from a very small town, and being a girl into Mumbai in such a top college and topping, it feels like we as a person really underestimate, and we are too harsh on ourselves. So celebrate small wins, never stop believing in yourself. So yeah, that is what one thing which I would like to say, that in the beginning you will feel this is not where I am, where मैं कहाँ आ गई, मेरा क्या हो रहा है, but once the process begins you would really get into it, and it would be really very hassle free for you. So in the starting, if you feel there are subjects like for me finance, statistics, it was like, oh my god, what is happening, I don't understand balance sheet, I could not tally them. But then I invested more from myself. Other than attending the lectures, what I used to do, I used to go to YouTube, look after the finance videos. I used to look how to tally, how to prepare balance sheet, what is PNL, what is cash flow. For statistics, I used to go to various websites by myself, used to study and make notes. Sometimes you would not understand what the professors are saying, not because they are not that well versed with their subjects, but just because you do not understand or you are not able to apprehend. In that case, go and watch it on YouTube. Not the case, but still there would be subjects where you will easily understand all the concepts very nicely. And do not fear, guys. डरने से कुछ नहीं होता है, तुम बस हार जाओगे. सो लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत आएंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टेप फॉर यू. Because they are training you to, while you enter your job, you will also face the same thing. So try to tackle situations. There is always a solution for every problem, and do not fear while raising voice, but also do not make noise just like कुछ भी, हाँ मुझे ये नहीं, मैं ये इसको जाके बोल दूंगी, मैं ये जाके कर दूंगी. Don't do that. Be professional. And one more important thing which I would like to tell you is that you might get certain duration to submit your documents. You might be asked to submit your original documents, let's say migration certificate. So if you don't have it, so do request your undergrad college to get it done in terms of migration certificate. So that was the one thing. Rest, it would be okayish. And very important, most of you are also asking me regarding committees, where we can go and join committees. So I would suggest that carefully analyze how much time and effort, mental effort as well as physical effort, you are willing to invest. Let's say if you want to join placement committee, guys, I'm very frank, you need to dedicate that much time. You need to have a dedication to just change the life of other students, because you have a very big responsibility on your shoulders to make your batchmates placed. You would be going for getting companies. So it requires a lot of dedication, lot of time, lot of effort. If you travel from far, carefully analyze it. You can also, in that case, you can join some other committees as well, which do not require that much time for you to stay beyond college hours. And this is what I personally think, but it not be correct. You can analyze it for yourself. For joining committees, I would recommend you to prepare in such a way, because the interviews would be conducted by the students itself who are in the committee. Let's say the senior member committees of any of the committee for Pharma MBA. So you have to prepare for the interview, while students would be assessing how you are as an individual, how dedicated you are. Let's say if you want to join placement committees, how strict behavior you can portray, because you have to make things done from your batchmates. So you should have that quality, leadership qualities, time management. How would you be able to contribute? You need to work late night as well for certain committees. So just carefully analyze. Don't just think, if I get into this committee I would get perks and benefits. It's not always true. You only get a certificate and you will learn, but it is that once you get into something and then you feel, no, this is not I wanted to, and then the back step is way more difficult. So I would not say don't join committees or what. I was also the class representative, but I would say carefully analyze individually. Don't do what your friends are doing or what the other person is doing. So do what is in best favor for you. And this video was, I think, would really help you. And if you have any doubt, guys, you have my LinkedIn, you have the comment section. Go and just text. Whenever I'm free, I would definitely solve your queries and help you. Wishing you all the best. wishing you a very great success ahead and a very smooth journey once you get into NMIMS. And do tell me how did you felt in your first week, second week. And guys, so don't fear from anything. कर लिया है, आ गए हो तो just give your best and all the best. Thank you.